I am agree with your idea.
Oh, you mean I agree.
Right, I agree. Much easier. Yesterday I didn't went to the gym.
Didn't go.
Yes, I didn't go. I was tired. My brother don't like coffee.
Doesn't like coffee.
Yes, he doesn't like coffee at all. I am living here for 5 years now.
You mean you've lived here for 5 years.
Yes, I've lived here for 5 years. I have 25 years.
You mean I am 25 years old.
Yes, I am 25 years old. Can you open the light?
Turn on the light.
Yes, turn on the light. Thanks. Can you borrow me your charger?
Lend me your charger.
Yes, can you lend me your charger? I'm boring today.
You mean bored.
Yes, I'm bored. I need to finish my homeworks.
Just homework.
Right, I need to finish my homework. I'm good in English now.
Good at English.
Yes, I'm good at English. I've lived in this city for 3 years now.
Really? That's a long time.
And I think I'm getting good at English.
You definitely are.
Yesterday, I didn't go to class because I was bored.
Happens to everyone.
By the way, can you lend me your notes later?
Sure, no problem.
Thanks. I agree with your study method. It really helps.
I'm happy it works for you.
Anyway, I need to finish my homework before dinner.
Good luck.
Thanks. Oh, and don't worry, I'll turn off the light when I leave.
Great. See you later. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video.
And subscribe for more simple, natural English conversations.
New lessons are coming every week.
Thanks for learning with us. See you in the next video.